everyone, and welcome back to another FabFitFun unboxing video. This is the winter box that I'm going to share with you today. Now, I pay for my boxes up front for the entire year. You get 4 boxes each year if you are not familiar with FabFitFun. And by paying for all of your boxes up front, you get full customization of your box. You get to choose exactly what goes into it each season. If you choose to pay for your box one at a time, you get to choose, I think, 3 of the 6 items. So you'll know exactly what 3 of the items are, and then the other 3 will be a complete surprise. I did that in the beginning when I first subscribed to FabFitFun, and there were some things that I just felt like were junk and not even worth it. So that's why I paid for my box up front. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. This is the inside of the FabFitFun box, and let's see what we got. Like the fall box, I chose things for the house since we just moved into a new house, and I chose a few beauty products that I know that I need. All right, so one of the first things that I got was this beautiful blanket. This is Height bubble blanket, 60 by 50 inches. I got it, obviously, you can see, I got it in white. The other option was a navy blue, but that wasn't the color palette that I was looking for. This retailed for $100. The box claims that the value exceeds $300, so I kept track of all of the items and their prices. So we're gonna see at the end of the video how much the box totaled, so you're not gonna wanna miss it. Stick around. All right, the second item that I grabbed was a 3-piece silicone trivet set. This is by Darling. This set includes 3 silicone trivets, like I just said. There is a 2 large that are 6.5 inches in diameter, and then the medium is 5.5 inches. And the colors are like a mauve, peachy kind of purple color. And this is the difference in size between the medium and the large. So I thought these were going to be a great addition with the holidays coming up and having all kinds of hot dishes. Definitely want to make sure that they don't get placed on the counter. And I love stuff like this. Even though I have a bunch of trivets, I feel like I can't have enough. And honestly, there were just things that I wasn't interested in. So I picked this up instead. The 3-piece trivet set retailed for $30. All right, next on my list, I picked up a set of cuticle oil and top coat for my nails. My nails are just now starting to grow back. They all broke off after we moved. So I'm hoping that this will kind of help protect them, because I am very hard on my nails, regardless if I wear gloves or not. Anyways, this is what I picked up. A base coat and a cuticle oil, and the nail oil treatment retailed for $30. The next thing that I got was another beauty product, and this is a Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This is a 1.7 fluid ounces. I have used some Bobbi Brown products in the past, namely like eyeliner, which I don't do eyeliner. The skin around my eyes is very oily, and it doesn't matter what I do. My makeup just slides off my face within an hour or so. So I really don't even bother wearing makeup unless I'm doing something like this or I'm going out. So this is what the container looks like. And this is what it looks like on the inside. This retailed for $69. $69. Let's say it again in case you didn't hear it. For those in the back, the Bobbi Brown primer is $69. I would not go into the store and buy this on my own. Some of you might. I don't know. All right, that's it. We have one more Oh, actually, we have 2 more items. All right, next on my list are a set of 3 ceramic bowls. And these ceramic bowls are 5.59 by 5.59 by 2.5 inches. And this is what those bowls look like. And here's the bottom. What do you think? Do you like the color? I thought that the color would go good with the spoon rest and the salt holder that I got in my fall box. These I just fell in love with, and with the holidays coming, these are going to be perfect for, you know, chips and snacks. The set of 3 ceramic bowls retailed for $42. Final item that I picked up, I kind of was going around in circles trying to decide if this is something that I really wanted, and I can't remember what the other choices were. And I thought, ooh, affogatos. This would be perfect for affogatos. An affogato is essentially an espresso coffee with a scoop of ice cream. And of course, there's all different kind of fancy ways that you can present it. I just put them in a mason glass and fill it with coffee. We do doubles around here. So I picked up a set of pour over espresso glasses. These espresso glasses, it doesn't say. It comes with 2 3.5-ounce espresso cups and a ceramic coaster. These are dishwasher and microwave safe. I don't have a microwave, but I don't understand why you would want to put them in the microwave. But these are just so adorable. These are so cute. This is what the little glasses look like. Let me get the little coaster. It comes with like a little platter that you can put it on, a ceramic platter. And isn't this just cute? These are adorable. There's no way that I'm going to be able to put an affogato in here. The scoop of ice cream would just take up the entire glass. But we picked up these, and either we're gonna use them or they're just gonna sit on our counter as a decoration. I don't know. These espresso glasses retailed for $40. And I'm going to tell you that the reason why I got them is because there really wasn't anything else that I felt like I could use. I didn't want pajamas. I didn't really want any more like blush or lip gloss, or because I just didn't really care for the colors that they had offered. But this was just adorable. So here we go. The moment of truth. What is the total value of the FabFitFun Winter box? Now, keep in mind that depending on the items that you choose, they all differ in value, will determine the value of your box. Some people will just go straight for the most expensive items. While some, like me, I just kind of pick and choose what I want and what I need, and I don't really look at the prices. So are you ready? FabFitFun claims that their boxes that you pay $70 for, $70, $80, are going to exceed the value of $300 or more. So with the blanket costing $100, the ceramic bowls at $42, the Bobbi Brown primer at $69, the 3-piece trivet set at $30, which just blows me away. I don't know how that would cost $30. The nail ointment treatment coming in at $30, and the espresso glasses coming in at $40. The total value of FabFitFun's winter box is $311. So I thought that was a great value. I have things that I know that I can use in my home. I have things that I got for me personally, since this was a birthday gift. I wanted to make sure that I can get some things that I could use. Let me know what you guys think about my selections in the comment section. If you are subscribed to FabFitFun, let me know what you got in your winter box. Tag me in a video if you're going to do an unboxing video so I can see. And I thank all of you guys for watching another video. I'll see you next time for another FabFitFun unboxing video. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.